Boys and girls, welcome to Mr. Lucas' YouTube channel. Today we'll be reacting to Channel 9 News holiday equipment in hot demand as campers ramp up. Let's get into it.
Makers weary of last-minute border closures are turning to options in their own backyard. Thousands are taking up camping, caravanning and off-roading. Sending the prices of all of that equipment soaring.
Is that fucking Sean Whale, cuz?
Of a happy camper.
I get to see the best parts of Australia by getting off the beaten track.
The adventurer's been riding the highs of Australia's staycation boom, taking his 600,000 YouTube subscribers along for the ride.
Last year we got 51 million views, which is almost double than the year before.
Across the country, vacationers are turning to camping, caravanning and four-wheel driving in droves.
Some of our holiday parks are reporting that their increasing cabin bookings are up 50 to 70%.
This summer, across the state, more than 400,000 people took to the great outdoors. The busiest place was Kosciuszko National Park. And while it's been competitive just to find a campsite, even getting your hands on the gear has been equally challenging.
You lose tents these days. You lose swag from full drive 24. No, not 24/7. Super Centre.
Tent World in Punchbowl has seen an 80% increase in business company-wide.
In the last 4 months, we've done a year's worth of stock.
While a desire to go off-road has led to a price surge in 4x4s. The median price of a used Toyota Hilux is spiking almost 42%.
Not bad.
While second-hand Land Cruisers are up 41%.
It's all evidence to show that a lot of people are getting out there to explore Australia.
Ellie Walsh, 9 News.
Not bad YouTube here. Boys and girls, see you later. Subscribe to Mr. Lucky 101. Bye bye.